Right, everyone. Today we create a roadmap. It's almost I take maybe 3 months, but now 3 days ago I just update some research. It's roadmap for machine learning engineer, and also have notes. My personal I also share with you is day. The date I share you is 26 July. Is 2025. Is AI world, and here is my roadmap. I cover first Python, NumPy, Panda, learn data visualization, then statistic, learn data process, and here everywhere you can see this also have notes that help you to reread after month later, and you revised anytime. Here the algorithm of machine learning. Everything is step by step. Here the project of 100 machine learning and 500. This is mine, and this I call it a repo, GitHub. So first of all, we can talk about this ML roadmap and note. Here is the step by step roadmap for beginner. What you start and when you end, and what type of project you need to do. And if my English is not good, for that's the reason I'm sorry, because I'm still beginner. I'm also learning English. That's the reason. So ignore this topic. Let's talk about this repository. And here this repository link I also share with you in my video description. And now I want to step by step to tell you what is I'm doing to the next. I'm try to do is every time when you see that, you can go here and see this repository. And also I'm try to share every day one video, each video about how to learn you Python basic, object-oriented, advanced topic, and practice problem. I try to create a video and I try to share. And if you are a beginner, you can follow this roadmap and path, and you can learn definitely machine learning so easily. I grant it. As a busy video, I also record it, and I also share with you, and also share with my note, and some give more better resource. You can learn where and which the best. I feel that's the perfect to learn resource and the fundamental of machine learning. And now to the video, I'm not making the long video because it's already and I just share with you this repository. You just first come and see this. And here I show you something about this project. Here the 100 project, and here the 500 project repository. This is 100 project repository is mine, and every project I create my own way. And here is the 21 project, and today is my personal project. It's like product. I will tell you about this later, but now you can see that. Here this link, you just click, and here this another. I love this person, and here their repository you can check, and your notes you can check this, an ML project, and everything's perfect so you can follow it. And I think now you need to start today, so tomorrow I will create a video about Python learning, then we can start a journey how to learn it. So I think this is the perfect day. I love to. And now goodbye.